Photographers are in trouble because with just your mobile phone and one free AI tool, you can create pro-looking studio photos within minutes. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do so step by step. I'll also share the secret trick pros use. So to do so, I'm just going to head over to this particular app, Gemini. So just search from your app store, look for Gemini, Google Gemini. Then you click on open. I already have it installed here. So I'll just go ahead and open it. If you don't have it installed or your device, download it and make sure you are logged on. To ask you to sign in or sign up. So go ahead and sign in or sign up with your Gmail. I have signed in with my Gmail account, as you can see. Now on this part of the Gemini, make sure you have 2.5 flash showing, and when you come to this down part you will see ask Gemini. Now click on these tools, click on the tools, and you will see create image, deep research, canvas. Click on create image. You can see the create image has the banana sign beside it. So now we're going to go ahead and upload a photo. So all you just need to do is to click on this plus sign, click on gallery, and then search for your photo. I'm going to be using this particular photo of mine, and I'm going to click on add, right? So you will see that it is loading right there to add it. Now I'm going to be using this exact prompt. I pasted this prompt right here. As you can see, the picture has uploaded on top, and then we have the prompt beneath it. So you can see that my prompt is a bit long. It has the details of how I want the studio portrait to look like, and on scrolling down you will see the details, the lighting, the camera settings, like that, and then you see the main lights, fill lights, background lights, and then keep exact facial features and structure of the attached image and exact hairstyle, but make it long. Do not change the face, make it look real. Now if you want this prompt, kindly comment prompt, write prompt in the comment box. I will reach out to you on how you can get it. Now I'm going to send this right now, and we're going to wait. So when you're uploading your picture, make sure you upload a picture that shows you your natural face, or even if it is with your makeup, it has to be so natural without filters and all of that, so that you get a good response. You're able to get a good response. Okay. So now, as you can see, can you see this is what it has generated for me? Can you see how it looks exactly like me? Now I'm just going to tap on this part and download it, and then it will save directly to my device. All right, so I tried out this again. I uploaded this particular photo of mine, and then I gave it this prompt: generate a hyper realistic cinematic editorial studio portrait of the uploaded person, keeping the exact real face, hairstyle, skin tone, and body identity unchanged. Wears a beautiful looking makeup with confidence and smiles. Set in a white luxury studio, dressed in a fuchsia pink suit, skirt, leaning on a visible white chair, 4:5 ratio. And then when I sent that, this was the response I got. Can you see that? So that's it. Make sure the picture you're uploading is clear enough to show your exact real face. I hope you get it. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Kindly like and share with someone. I know someone out there needs it. I'll see you in my next video.